As we have discussed with my colleagues regarding the situation, I've indicated to them that I'm not feeling well. I need to consult a doctor. And the days that we suggested as from next week, it shows that it won't be prudent for us to sit until next week. So an arrangement was made that the matter should be adjourned until the 22nd of January.
I did discuss the date of the 22nd of January with the road planner, and she's indicated that we can postpone it to that date. I've discussed it with the witness as well, Brigadier Dininda. We have no option now but to fall in with those arrangements.
We've got no option to do what?
We have no other option, my lord, than to fall in with those arrangements or with the request.
Have you discussed this with the DJP?
No, my lord. In any case, I think we're going to sit until tomorrow. But the road planner indicated that this is a special court for the matter, so the 22nd is in order.
And Brigadier Dinanda, are you available?
I'll be available, my lord, to assist.
Next year?
Yeah, I'll be available, yes, my lord.
Sibuya nami Mr. Ntanzike ummeli wenu uthi akazizwa kahleke ukuthi sesingaqhubeka beku nesifiswa ukuthi ngaqhutshwe kwake amalanga athize kweviki elizayo, kodwa ke kuyabonakala ukuthi cha lokho angeke kulungeke noma kusebenzeke manje ke usuku noma ke idate evezwayo ke kuyi date yange 22 kuJanuary kulonyaka ozayo.
Yes. Mr. Mngomezulu advises the court that he is not feeling well, or he is ill, and consequently he says he is not able to continue this year with this matter, but he says he'll probably be feeling okay next year, January. Okay, for those reasons, this court has got no choice but to postpone this matter until next year.
Lihlehlele ke icala kuze kube ngonyaka ozayo, idate bese sishilo ke i-22 kuJanuary 2024.
Is the court please, madam?
I wish to apologize to you, Brigadier.
Understand?
Yeah, it's unavoidable.
I notice, my lord, I do understand.
So can you see, yesterday I was not interfering. You're not feeling well. Mr. Mngomezulu. I wasn't interfering yesterday. You were not feeling well. You don't have to answer. Okay. Thank you. The court will adjourn.
No, it was fine.